FEC's number 101 after the meet in Miko with FEC's 202. Just shortly after I got my hair cut, mom planned it on the wrong time. Tried to catch 202, but I didn't. Oh no. No pictures on this one. And the 720 longer forward. Woo! Them engines are working hard. Titan. Couple FEC containers. Got about 4. Link America. 5, 6, 7. Got 8. This is a long turn. Woo! Night transportation. And there they go, on their way south to Hialeah. Alright, EOT 629, BBT 609 here near Main Street on the Florida East Coast Main Line. Have a safe trip to the crew of 101 and to ECH and Jim on the unseen train. Well, actually, I did see it, but like really far away. 202. Look, listen, and live. Out. Keep an eye out for FEC's 107. I just might catch him tonight. Out.